Hey, this is Mark with Flatfish Cookbook and Drift Boat Media. And just want to take a minute to talk a little bit about tailwater safety. A few days ago, I was out below Beaver Dam, and there was a fella got caught across the river when the water went up. So I went over there, helped him, and got him back. So he did the right thing by getting to safety and then waving to a boat. So it just reminded me that I'm seeing lots of new folks down by the river, and I just wanted to give you guys a few pointers. So first off, before you go, plan. So the good thing to do is to go to the USACE Little Rock application that you can download from Apple or Android, and use that to see what the generation is going to be on the day you're going to fish or in a future time. Now, it's generally only fairly accurate 24 to 48 hours, and then even then it might change. So know that and be able to adjust if that happens. So when you're looking at the app too, notice it not only has generation, but on the actual flow will show when the Corps of Engineers has gates open. So it may actually show 0 for generation, but then it may have 2 to 3 floodgates open with 4,000 to 6,000 CFM. So especially keep an eye on that around periods where there's a lot of rain, or especially in the spring. Okay, next, when you're out on the river, keep your ears open and listen for the horns. The first horn tells you that the water is getting ready to go up. The second horn is saying they just started letting water out, and so start heading for the access as soon as you hear that horn. Also be aware of how long it takes the water to get to wherever you are. Generally speaking, and I say this is a real rough estimate, but my experience is 4 to 6 miles per hour is how long it takes to get down the river, and that obviously there are a lot of factors that can affect that. So again, be aware of that, but it gives you an idea what to expect. Next, Bull Shoals and Norfolk have an 800 number that you can call for the Corps of Engineers generation that will give you the actual current status. Now, while there are 800 numbers for the other dams, they don't offer current status at those numbers. Why? I don't know, but that is available for Bull Shoals and for Norfolk. And when I'm out on the water, especially when I'm waiting, I call and check and see what the current conditions are multiple times while I'm out on the water, and that helps me keep safe. Particularly for areas, if you plan on accessing or wading the Norfolk, the handicapped area, a lot of times people will walk into the handicapped area and then they'll walk upstream about a half mile up to the shoals up above, or the waterfalls up above. They're to the old McClellan areas. And if the horn goes off and the water starts going up, you won't have enough time to get back. And I can tell you from personal experience from years past, the landowners along the way don't take too kindly to folks having to get off the river and get on their land. So be aware of that and be safe in that way. So now, while you're out there, keep an eye on the water. Listen, you can hear if it starts rushing more. You hear the riffles, there's a little more noise with the water going around the rocks, etc. The other thing you can do, and what I always do, is I'll pick a rock or a tree, especially a rock, and I'll keep my eye on that rock while I'm out there waiting. And when that rock goes away, or I see it getting smaller, that's when I know the water's going up and I need to start heading to the shore. And so those are all very important things that you need to remember. Now, I fish a lot by myself. In fact, you guys, I'm sure, have seen me out there. A lot of you have, especially at Beaver and Norfolk. I carry an emergency beacon that's made. It's the Garmin Reach 2, I believe is what it's called. It's $15 a month. You can also get search and rescue insurance along with it. It's a satellite communicator, so I can either press the SOS button if I get in really big trouble or I'm injured and I need to be actually rescued. Secondly, it also has a text feature. It's a bit cumbersome, but if you've got your phone handy, it's connected to your phone via Bluetooth. So if your phone is operational, you can actually enter text through the Garmin, and it will send it out via satellite. So I can communicate to the family exactly where I am, or if I'm having any issues, or if I need help, or if I'm on my way back, or whatever. In fact, I'm a home inspector, so I've had a few times where I was out of cell coverage area, and I was able to communicate to my client via text over that feature. So there you go. There are a few things to remember. Our tailwater is awesome. It's great for big fish, and but we got to just keep an eye on things and just be safe out there and respect it, and you'll do great. You guys have a good day, and appreciate your time, and hope I see you out there. If I do, say hi. You guys take care. Bye.